Math time! You know, Mrs. Wipsel loves some math. So let's start off. Make sure you watch the math lesson video. So today we are finding missing parts. Let's start off with our application problem. These are our daily word problems. Laura had 5 fish. That's Laura. Her mother gave her 1 more. Laura's brother Frank had 1 fish, and their mother gave Frank 5 more. Laura cried, "That's not fair. He has more fish than I do." Use number bonds and a number sentence to show Laura the truth. If you can write a sentence with words, that would help Laura understand. So let's do Laura's side and Frank's side. Laura had 5 fish, and she got 1 more. Let's make a numbered bond. 5 plus 1 equals something. 5 and 1. 5 plus 1 equals 5, and 6 more, or 1 more is 6. Laura has 6 fish. Frank had 1 fish. He got 5 more, and that equals something. Our number bond looks like this: 1 and 5. 1 and 5. I could even count on from 1. 1 and 5 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Still 6. Does Frank have more fish than Laura? No, they have the same number. So 5 plus 1 equals 1 plus 5. The cool thing with addition is the add-ins can flip-flop, flip-flop. 5 plus 1, flip-flop, 1 plus 5. 5 plus 1, flip-flop, 1 plus 5. Cool beans. Numbers are so cool. And look at the problem set. Circle the larger number and count on. Write the number sentence starting with the larger number. Let's start by writing the numbers in the number sentence. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 7. Oh, 7 is definitely larger than 2. So let's do 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. Or I can even count on here. 7, 8, 9. You can use the pictures too. All right. Color the larger part and complete the number bond. Well, let's look at this number bond. 5 is larger than 2, so I'm going to color 5. 5 is larger than 2, then I'm going to count on from 5. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. There's 2. So 5 plus 2 makes 7. Or you can always do the dot way. 5, 6, 7. Got it? Ooh, 3 and 4. Let's color the bigger number. And let's start at 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. Oops, I didn't write my 6 up, or my 7 up here. Whoopsies. 7. So I want you to fill in this number sentence yourself. And on the last one, 4 and 6, color the bigger number and write the whole and the number sentence. I'm going to let you do that part yourself with your good brain. On the back, we're kind of doing the same thing, but a little different. Color the larger part. The larger part is 7. 7 is bigger than 2. And then we're going to count on 7 and 2 more. 7, 8, 9. That's 9. So 2 plus 7 equals 9. And then I can flip-flop that. Flip, flop. Move the 7 to first and the 2 to second. Flip, flop. Flip, flop. Still 9. Still makes 9. Any way you write it, it still makes 9. I want you to do the same thing on the second problem. And on these, circle the bigger number and count on to solve. You do these two on your own. 1 plus 5, 5, and 1 more is 6. I think you can do these because you're a math rock star. I'm not going to do them for you. You're way too smart for me to do it all for you. Same thing here. Circle the larger part and write the number sentence starting with the larger part. So on each number sentence, the big number should be first. Rock this. Show me how smart you are. And then we just have a little bit of math practice over here. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Write the numbers. See if you can do it without counting the dots and just visualize them. If you need to count the dots, you go right ahead. But try and see if you can do it without counting. You can always try it and then go back and fix it. This will help your brain with bigger numbers. All right, have a great weekend. Bye. See you Monday.